Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your screen color in Windows 11. So currently I'm using this Windows 11 on my laptop, and if you have a sensitivity or you have some syndrome about your vision, you have a problem with your vision, so you want to change the contrast, the color of your windows. It's very easy by right click your wallpaper and go to the personalize. You can click the personalize, and this is the personalization of your windows. So you can change the background, of course, but the most important I want to show you this, the color, accent color, transparency effects, and color theme. So you can choose your mode. I prefer dark. I don't like the light one. Even my phone, I choose dark mode. Transparency effect, you can on or off. I prefer to off. The accent color, if you want some bluish or a brownish, it's up to you. But I prefer the dark one, not too light or pastel color. Or you can custom your color by tap the view color here, and also you can show accent color or start and taskbar. See the difference? And this is on title bars and Windows border. And this one, contrast themes. If you have a low vision or light sensitivity, is very important. You can adjust your contrast themes. You can choose aquatic, dusk, desert, night sky, and then apply. So please free to try. Please choose what makes you comfortable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.